This is probably the worst cell I ever been in my lifetime, believe me when I tell you. I mean, it's making me nervous. They're coming down close as hell. I mean, look at this shit. Damn! I can't even. It's right above us right now, probably the most intense part of it. Look at it. Oh my God. I want to run back in the house, I can't even do it. There's no way in hell. Oh my God! Fuck! People, this shit is coming down like crazy. I can't even move at this juncture. Look at this. Look at this shit. This is no fucking... I can't even fucking move. I can't even fucking move. It's like... I'm so fucking nervous to move anywhere. Look at this. It is right above us right now. These things are coming down hard too. Oh my God. I think it just fucking started, right? I'm gonna cut this one. That'll be part 2 coming up.